In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and integrate a custom voice using ElevenLabs and Voiceflow. Let's dive right in and get started with the first part of this process, which is all about creating and saving your very own custom voice in ElevenLabs. Now, there are actually two ways you can go about this, depending on your needs: voice design and voice cloning. First, let's explore voice design. You'll want to navigate to the Voices section of your ElevenLabs dashboard. Once there, go ahead and select Add a New Voice and choose the Voice Design option. This is where you can get creative. Think about the characteristics you want your voice to have, like age, accent, and tone, and describe these in the prompt box. To get an idea of how your voice might sound, enter some text in the Preview section and hit Generate to create several options. After you've listened to these, select the version that best fits your vision. Give your new voice a name and don't forget to add labels to it, such as language and gender, before hitting Save. Now, if you're leaning more towards voice cloning, you'll start again from the Voices section, but this time select either Instant Voice Clone or Professional Voice Clone. You'll be asked to upload some audio samples, or you can record directly within the interface. Once your audio is processed and verified, all you need to do is name your voice, pick a language, and save it. It's as simple as that. After saving your custom voice, the next step involves obtaining the voice ID. Head back to the Voices section where your new creation will be listed under Personal or My Voices. Click Use, or whatever option allows you to interact with it more closely. At this point, you'll either spot a Copy ID button or find the voice ID in the URL. Whichever way it's presented, make sure to copy it because you'll need it in the next step. This brings us to our integration phase with Voiceflow. Open your project in Voiceflow and navigate to the Speech Settings area. This could be located in the main settings or perhaps within a specific component, depending on your particular setup. Look for the option labeled Voice and paste your ElevenLabs voice ID right into the appropriate field. At this juncture, it's a good idea to test out your newly integrated voice by using it in the Voiceflow canvas. Confirm that everything is functioning as you intended and make any necessary adjustments. And there you have it. You've not only created a custom voice in ElevenLabs, but also integrated it seamlessly within Voiceflow. This process can really add a personal touch or unique flair to your projects, and I hope this guide has made the whole experience straightforward and enjoyable. Thanks for tuning in, and happy creating.